Free weight alternative to the triceps kickback. Number 1. Overhead triceps extension. One of the best possible free weight alternatives to the triceps kickback is the overhead triceps extension, an isolation exercise that makes use of the same biomechanics and equipment as the latter movement, though with a full range of motion and therefore better results. Number 2. Close grip bench press. Unlike the triceps kickback, the close grip bench press is a compound exercise that works more than just the triceps brachii muscles, requiring that the training program be altered in the event that the exerciser wishes to perform this particular alternative instead. Number 3. EZ Curl Bar Skull Crusher. Another classic triceps exercise favored by bodybuilders and advanced weightlifters. The skull crusher exercise performed with an EZ curl bar act as an excellent alternative to the triceps kickback for individuals seeking superior mass building stimulus. Machine alternatives to the triceps kickback. Number 1. Rope triceps pushdown. A triceps brachii isolation exercise that makes use of a cable machine to induce resistance. The rope triceps pushdown replicate the intensity and mechanics of the triceps kickback while sharing none of its downsides. Number 2. Overhead cable triceps extension. Somewhat more complex mechanically than other alternatives in this article. The overhead cable triceps extension can be seen as a direct progression from the triceps kickback due to its greater intensity despite their shared characteristic of being isolation exercise. Number 3. Single hand cable triceps kickback. As one can guess that from the name, the cable triceps kickback is simply the machine variation of the standard triceps kickback, a change that alters several mechanics of the exercise, potentially improving it in terms of training stimulus and safety. Miscellaneous alternatives to the triceps kickback. Number 1. Dips. A classic among upper body exercises. Dips may be performed either weighted or entirely with the exerciser's own body weight acting as a source of resistance. Number 2. Diamond push-ups. Diamond push-ups are a variation of the standard body weight push-ups that place the exerciser's hand close together, thereby greatly increasing triceps brachii muscles recruitment and allowing it to act as a temporary alternative to the triceps kickback. Number 3. Bench dips. Bench dips are possibly the most ideal bodyweight alternative to the triceps kickback, as they place significant emphasis on the triceps while making use of similar biomechanics and a nearly identical